Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. Built for play, built for work, built for you. This Avalanche is made to meet the flexibility you need throughout the day. Features include external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Of the Avalanche, Edmunds.com observes versatile mid-gate base body configuration, comfortable ride and seating, smooth V8 engines. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Ford. We're conveniently located between 41st Street and 55th Street Northwest on Highway 52 in Rochester, Minnesota.